to the Giants World channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Hassan. Happy Friday, everybody. You can see we got back with another comics video. This time we have 3 mystery boxes and a print. So let's get right into it. First off, I'm going to start off with showing this amazing Boba Fett print that I got over at Collector's Choice Comics. I'm not too sure if they sold out already, but I was able to snag one. And this is just an amazing print, as you can see right there. Done by Chin Potter. Hopefully I pronounced your name right. But yeah, no, this is just, when I saw it, that they were promoting it, I was like, I have to get this, so I got it. Put that right there for now. Then we got 3 mystery boxes. They released a couple months back some mystery boxes, and I went and got them. And they were just here, and I was like, I'm gonna finally do the video for it, so here they are. First off, we got one, is Spawn. Here you see, I can see it. So you got right there the Collector's Comics little logo. Next one is Spider-Man, or a Spidey one. And the last one is, I want to say this one's Venom, but it can be Carnage, it can be either or. But for me, I'm saying it's Venom. So let's go ahead and open up the Spider one, the Spidey. Go ahead and open it up right there. And so right off the bat, we got a Marvel's comic, The New Mutants, which is issue, I actually have no idea. Issue 100, I think. Yeah. So there it is, so you guys can see it. Now this one was 35. The box was 35. So let's see if we get more than what I paid for. We got Fantastic Four, and this one's issue, I want to say 304, 346, but that's probably just, yeah, we got that one. And we're at 25 bucks if we can actually sell them for that price. We got Aliens issue number 2. Black Cat issue number 8. And it's pretty good back. A lot of good comics. Got Web of Spider-Man issue 113. Got Spidey, Gambit, and Black Cat. Hopefully I got that character right. Whoa, don't fall. We got USA Agent John Walker, issue number 1. Pretty cool. We got The Amazing Spider-Man, The Sins of Norman Osborn, issue number 1. I think this is an issue that I already have, I believe. Not sure though. Then we got Demon Days X-Men, issue number 1. Alien issue number 1, Scotty Young. And then we got this, The Uncanny X-Men. Pretty cool cover. Cyclops. That's basically it for the Spider-Man mystery box. Not bad for how much I paid. Then let's go with, let's do the Spawn one, and then we'll leave this one for last. And open it up. We got Protocor Valley Road. Hopefully I said it right. Issue number 4. There it is. We've got He Who Fights with Monsters. Got Dejadores versus John Carter of Mars. I believe this one's issue number 3. Got Power Rangers. Is it Power Rangers? I want to say it's the Power Rangers, but no, because it's a Yeah, one of the Ninja Turtles in the back. It's probably Ninja Turtles versus Power Rangers. Got Berserker. Issue number 1. Got Snake Eyes Dead Game. Issue number 5. We got Spawn. The Dark Ages is for $5. Got Heaven and Hell. He Who Killed Kitty. And this one is actually I have no idea what issue this one is. We got another Spawn book. Spawn issue number 6. $10. And we got Christmas Magic edition number 231, I believe. So we got 2 Spawn books in the Spawn mystery box. Not bad. Let's go ahead and open up the Carnage. Let's go ahead and see what kind of goodies we got in this Carnage one right here. Or Carnage or Venom. Got Howard the Duck issue number 3 for $8. You got Uncanny X-Men 203. Hopefully this one is for $5. We got The Return of Wolverine. Let me see if you guys can see it. We got another Howard the Duck issue number 2. $8. You got The Incredible Hulk. $3.90. I believe it's the issue. This one. The Amazing Spider-Man. And Fantastic Flipbook. Because it comes with 2 different kinds of covers. First time seeing something like this. Pretty sweet. There's the front. And then there's the back. Sweet, because it's like whatever kind of cover you want to put. That's cool. Then we got Ghost Rider issue number 3, or for $3 I mean. There it is, you guys can see it. We got Wolverine issue 11 for $4. X-Men issue number 2, 52 I believe, or 96. There it is, you guys can see it. Got Miles Morales Spider-Man issue 30. And we got Marvel's Greatest Comics. Here, so you guys can see it. Here we got Scotty Young, Black Cat, issue number 1. So that's basically it for the 3 mystery boxes. I believe I got more of on Spidey and this one for what we paid than on this one. I feel like there was more cooler books on these 2 than on the Spawn one, but that's okay. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video, guys. Like always, like the video, the button, subscribe. I do daily videos like this, and I'll see you all for the next video. Peace.